Hi, Ralph.
Hey, Terry.
What are we working on today?
I don't know. You tell me.
There's 2 boxes behind you.
Oh, you want to open them?
Yes, I want to start with the big box on the bottom.
Oh, maybe next time. Let's start with this one.
I nixed that idea.
Cramp. Cramp.
Look it.
I'm still dealing with my cramp.
Look it. This is a box full of fabric that I got from Poshmark. Some really good stuff in here.
I would say beautiful.
This one's kind of like, almost like it's not a denim, it's a cotton, but it like looks like a denim. I think this would make a nice top.
I agree.
Now, what I want you to do is put them in order of your favorite fabric on the top to the one that's not your favorite on the bottom. Ooh, this one's pretty too. I like it. These are, I would say, pretty vintage cotton. This one's a little bit, this might be a blend, cotton poly blend. Now we've got some more colorful stuff. I've never worked with this type of fabric before. It's like the shiny kind. I forget what it's called. Feel how that one's like slippery?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's different than the other ones.
Yeah. Sure is.
Do you like this one?
For a dress maybe.
Oh god, yeah, this would make an amazing dress. It's got like, oh, what do they call these? There's like little nubbies in it. Swiss dots. It's got texture to it. Oh my gosh, this would make a fabulous dress, Ralph. Fabulous. Okay. And then this one I was on the fence about. This was the most expensive. It's definitely one of a kind. And it's a lot of material. I think this one's like 4 yards or something. So, can you see it?
Yeah. I would say that would look good as a poncho.
This is heavy.
Yeah, a nice poncho.
Look it. It's women and horses. And they're Native American women dressed in beautiful fringe. Take a look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. And like I said, there's a lot of this fabric. I could make a poncho, I could make a robe, I could make a dress.
I'm only looking at bits of poncho.
Only poncho?
For me.
Okay.
I would even wear one.
We could do matching ponchos. When you say poncho, what exactly do you mean?
What? The hole in the head and just over the shoulders.
How far would it go down? Hip length?
At least.
Knee length?
No. Thigh.
Would it have like...
And the side would be shorter. So it's longer in the front, longer in the back.
Oh, interesting. We'll have to see if we can find a pattern for that.
There you go. There's your
So,
order.
this is the order of favorite to least favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to show us?
That's right here.
Show us your favorite, Ralph.
2.
Oh, that's your second favorite.
3.
The denim.
4.
The floral. Oh, you don't really like the blue floral so much. That's okay.
5.
I can see in my
6.
mind's eye what I want that. So you like the fancy pink the least. Interesting.
Yeah, well, because I don't know what it would come out to be.
It would be a dress. I have another box here. Would you do the honors?
What do you want me to do?
There's more.
There's 18 million patterns in here, and I have nothing to say about them.
What I want you to do is find a poncho pattern that we can use for that fabric. This is, I believe, 17 vintage patterns that I got. I paid $7 plus shipping for this on Poshmark, and I had credits, so it was essentially free to me.
There's no punches in here. You're gonna need to go online.
Ralph has
Zero interest in these.
Ralph has zero interest in patterns, but let me show you this. Would you like it if I wore any of these tops?
All of them.
All right, so here's a winner. I needed a pattern that I can use for like when I just have a yard of fabric. Oh, there we go. We got a fancy one. Perfect. That was the main pattern that I wanted this box for. Oh boy. And here's the second one. I feel like this is missing a lot of pieces, which I was kind of expecting. This was the second one. I want to make more tops, and look at how many variations there are of this one. This is a butterick. See, I didn't know the sizes of these. I didn't know if they were cut. And for this one, I'll take a closer look, but there's, yeah, like all the pieces are missing. That's a bummer. Those were the two main ones I was going for.
I like that one.
Which one? The white?
Yeah.
Nice. With the tighter fitting skirt. Okay. Power suit.
And,
That's a no. I agree. How about these guys? I kind of like that one with the buttons tucked in and then those long pants.
as long as there's a crease down the butt in the back.
Yeah, Ralph's a big fan of how the butt fits. This one would look good with the magenta fabric. This has two different lengths. This is a Donna Rico, New York.
Go up higher.
Lovely. All right, so this one's uncut. That's good news. And the instructions are in there. This is considered easy. It's close fitting, partially lined, A-line or slightly flared dress, below mid-knee or evening length. Cool. $19.99. That's like what I could have worn to my high school prom if I knew you back then.
Yeah.
You would have been really dashing at the high school prom.
Could have been your chaperone.
I actually love this vest, and I totally want to make a vest.
Yeah.
This one is probably a no. I don't need any power suits. And this is another no. It's a big NO for this girl. We're at the second stack. We're almost done. This might be like, there's jackets here. I could potentially make a long jacket. That's nothing gonna happen anytime soon. What do you think of like a wrap top like that? Ralph likes this white wrap top. I wonder what kind of fabric they say for this. Moderate stretch knits only. Shacket, oversized shacket. I'm gonna zoom in on your facial expressions. So I'm taking another look at this, and I don't hate it as much as I did the first time. I mean, what's so terrible about that jacket?
It's gross.
You think it's still gross? What's terrible?
No.
The colors?
The green one's grosser.
Yeah. The tan one isn't that bad. It's got like really big cuffs on it though. It looks like it's like way too big for her. It's very 90s. What year do you think this is from?
87.
87? You're a decade off. 97. Good guess though. I like this outfit. The crop top.
I like that one.
Okay. And look, you can even make another scoop top. I hope that's in here. This might just be the pants. It's just the bottoms. Do you like any of those bottoms?
Oh, I guess that.
Yeah. Those might be comfortable and cute as like a pair of lounge pants. I like that outfit. I like the crop top with it. Ralph liked that one. When you said you liked that one, did you like the shorts?
The top.
Just the top. Okay.
Well, the outfit, if it was together.
Ooh la la. There's no instructions in here, unless they're in a different envelope. If I could figure it out myself. Do you like any of these?
The white one.
You really like white,
Yeah,
huh?
I do.
Interesting. I like the V-neck, I think, better than the scoop. Or maybe I just like the color better. Either way, that would be cute for a little easy breezy. Another wrap top. Yes, no.
Yeah, sure.
Oversized
No,
80s.
that at
I
all.
know, that was a total no for me. Although I like this idea of the two different colors on it. You don't like the color blocking?
No.
Alright. Power suit. No. And then this is the last one. This is like a wrap dress with a collar on it. I don't like how it's fitting her, but do you think I could ever pull that off?
Maybe.
Alright. You did so good, Ralph. We're almost done. This is a 97. To me, it looks older than that. I would peg it as like early 90s or 80s. This is a wrap dress with a collar. And I could possibly make it so that it would just be the top and I wouldn't attach the skirt. So it would be like a collared wrap shirt. Might be cute. Wow. Thanks for doing this unboxing video with me.
Sure.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's written all over your face. So what should my first project be? I'll tell you what I'm thinking. Oh, this isn't your favorite fabric, though.
No, I like
That's
it.
way down the
The reason I
bottom.
put it down bottom because I was doing, these could be reversed.
Okay. This is what I'm thinking.
Yeah, like that
For
one.
an easy project. I think this fabric with the scoop neck tank top. Do you like the spaghetti strap tank top better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. I could probably do that. Although I think I like this one better for the spaghetti top tank top. Spaghetti strap tank top. This pattern. Coming soon. Love you, Ralph. Say
Love you too.
bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more adventures with vintage sewing.